Hey friends, I have some super exciting news to share with you, so hang on a few minutes. It's gonna be a crazy ride. So I'm gonna come right out of the gate and tell you what the crazy news is. We are shutting down mygreenfills.com. That's right, we are shutting down mygreenfills.com. And you now may be wondering, Stephen, why in the world do you look so happy and so excited that you are shutting down MyGreenfills? Especially when MyGreenfills has over 100,000 families every single month that get non-toxic refills shipped to them. How can you be so happy? You'll be shutting down MyGreenfills when you've rescued hundreds of women from sex slavery, when you've saved millions of pieces of plastic from ever being produced, because you fund an entire deaf village in Jamaica, you fund hundreds of children in Mexico, etc. How can you be so excited that mygreenfills.com is shutting down? And here's why. Because we have something better. You see, mygreenfills.com, when I came up with this name, when I came up with this idea years ago, we had 5 laundry products and we were just a green refill company. But as we've gone on this journey, we're so much more than just some green refills, right? We represent something more, something bigger. We represent freedom, freedom from toxic chemicals, freedom from senseless plastic polluting our oceans, freedom from sex slavery as we empower women out of bondage and they have sustainable jobs working for us, freedom for the deaf of Jamaica to have really awesome sustainable jobs and starting industries in Jamaica, freedom for our children south of the border in Mexico that are going through some of the most crazy human crisis known to man. We represent freedom from toxic thoughts that are getting bombarded onto us. We represent more than just some green refills. And years ago, as many of you know, we started the brand Truly Free. And that name came to me because that's who we represent. We represent a truly free home. And we finally made the decision to take my baby, mygreenfills.com, and set it out to pasture and set it off, because we represent something more. We represent a truly free home. And many of you guys voted on our new logo. Thank you for those who won, and we represent so much more. So if you're on this page now, if it's on social media, this video is going to be posted in many places. Don't be surprised if MyGreenfills, you get redirected to a new page. It's still the same great company, same great employees. We've actually made a lot of our products even better. We've updated our formulas, we made them more effective. We'll let you know which ones. But yes, we represent more than just refills. We now represent your truly free home. So thank you for being part of our journey, right? By being part of this mission that we started years ago. The best is yet to come. We are on fire to change the world, one laundry jug, one cleaning product, one child, one woman at a time. So thank you for being part of our journey. It's really great news. MyGreenfills is going away and the truly free home will be here to stay. So see you on the next page and we'll continue our truly free journey together. God bless you. Bye for now.